Hello.
So, the cat's out of the bag. Look who came home to visit. Ta-da! No, not you, Squirt. It's Katie. She's home. We're going projecting right now. We're going to go get a donut first, though, because donuts. But then we're going to go get some stuff for projects, which I'm sure we'll be filming. Yeah. Okay, bye. Whoops, that was a fail. Okay, so here we are in the car.
Here we are.
Katie's driving the car.
Approximately 2 minutes.
Yeah, and we're driving.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. For what? What's been 2 minutes? We don't know. Oh, since we last spoke. 2 minutes. So we're going to get a donut. I think I said that last time, and it's still true. We're going to the Krispy Kreme. You know what? I knew we had one, and you know what? No. Is that me? It must have been if I'm remembering it. Anyway, we were somewhere one day, and I was like, oh my gosh, Krispy Kreme donuts. We should go there. Oh, I remember. It was with school friends. Oh, no, I could be making that all up. Anyway, we're going to get a donut. We're in Home Depot doing math and Googling things for a projects. And also we're looking at the woods. All the woods for the projects.
Yeah.
I'm taping your mathematics.
Would that be bad?
No,
To only have it be this tall?
no, that's fine. That tall? You mean like, wait, which way?
This tall.
Oh,
So
no, that's fine. Totes fine. That would be perfect. I feel like that would be good.
Okay, but here's where I run into
Okay.
questions, right? So
Right.
it's checkerboarded.
Right.
I'm gonna have to.
Am
I
I
have
going to
to
get in
do-
trouble for the background music at Home Depot? Probably. Go ahead.
Would I do one of these
Uh-huh.
and then one birch next to it? No, 'cause that's-
I don't know.
Because that's not a full. I would have to do two of these.
Yeah,
And
and
then
then
two
trim
birch,
it
then
down.
two-
No, that would be terrible. That would be very hard to cut that down, wouldn't it? Am I thinking right or wrong? Doesn't even matter. Because I don't know the answer.
I'm so confused.
Yeah, we'll be back. She's asking really hard questions and I don't know the answer.
I asked
What?
if we had 5 feet left and we cut it into 5 pieces, how many of each kind of wood would I have? If each you cut out 5, I would have 5 of each piece.
Right.
So
So that'd be 5
we
feet.
can do
Send help. We can't math. Okay, what?
Okay, so I can do them different. I can do yours with 2 pieces
Right.
of one and one of the other.
What
and
other one? What is
one,
other?
2 pieces of birch, 1 piece of whatever.
Oh,
other
okay.
we got, maple,
Oh, okay.
and then I can
okay.
do the other one with 2 pieces of maple, 1 piece of birch.
Okay.
And that's the design. And then the rest of it can just be.
Oh, so we're not doing that.
Well, we can.
If we stand here much longer, they're going to have us escorted out. Okay. We'll be back with an answer.
I had to wait for the camera to be ready to say my plan.
She's got a plan.
So my plan. My plan is we're going to do the first. How many inches is this?
Oh my God. Are you kidding me?
3
3
inches.
3 inches.
So-
That's not 3 inches. Is it? Son of a nutcracker. Yeah. No.
It is 3
3
inches.
inches.
I knew it.
Dum dum. Of course it's 3 inches. I called her a name. I'm just kidding.
Okay, so
Okay.
if this is 3 inches, that means we need 6 of whatever other wood we're gonna get. If we do
Yeah.
3.
Yeah. Because that makes 9. 3 and 6 is 9.
Yes, but
I
we
know
only
that
have-
math.
And we
Yes.
have 7.5 left over of that.
Right. Uh-huh.
So we can just get this and not have to buy any more boards.
Fantastic.
Right?
It would seem so. Because this will get cut in half this way, right? To make 2 boards. Right? That's right, isn't it? Because see, from here to here is enough for 2 boards and a little extra.
Mm-hmm.
So we would cut it, after gluing it that way, then you'd cut it this way and add it to the other this ways. Or the that ways.
We'll have 5 feet left over from one of each.
Ish. Yes.
So 5 pieces of birch left would give us 7.5 inches, plus 3
Yes.
inches of poplar for the design.
8.5, 9.5, 10.5 inches.
Or
What the heck?
we can make
Didn't add up. That's okay. Go ahead. Nope. Yep. We're doing 9 and 12, I thought. So.
Well, 10.5, so we'll just take a piece off,
Oh, okay.
because that's 1.5 inches. So we can do it as kind of like a pattern,
Uh-huh.
and then inside of this somewhere we'll throw a piece of the birch or a piece of the maple,
Okay.
and then the rest of it down at the bottom.
Okay.
So it ties in.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Uh-huh. Not at all.
Perfect. We're done.
It makes so
We
much
are
sense at this point.
outta
I don't
here.
even know what my name is.
We got
All right,
it.
we got it.
Now
we
we need
got
glue.
it. Now we. Oh God. Do you know where the glue is?
Nope.
Okay. Gonna find the glue. Oh, there's a chair in the way up there. I got kicked out of my driving position because I kept running into things. How come every time you're here, we spend the day at Home Depot? It is. All right. We're finding the glue and the clamps. The building has commenced. And there's my little bike. Gotta go find the loafers. Nobody puts baby in the corner. Except for baby. She put herself in the corner. What you doing, Monroe? What you doing, big girl? Okay, good talk. What?
I might need Dad's help with this because I don't know how much you're supposed to actually use.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
I don't, but yeah. I mean, I do.
Like, do I glue both sides?
I don't know. Let's
Or do I
ask.
just glue running down the front of this actually as we speak. Sorry. Try not to get it all over your fingers.
Is this edible glue?
Probably not. It is water resistant though.
Cool beans. It's like a sponge cake. Now comes the clamping. So it sits up on those things so it doesn't stick to the table or the piece of wood under it.
It's not gonna be perfect. Not all exactly. Perfect.
No, I just wanted to hold it kind of square. Where's this going? Is this pulling out?
Good morning! That sounded way too excited. It's Saturday! It's Saturday. And the Katydid and I, sorry, it's all good. We are out and about. Not so much about yet, but we're gonna go see if there are any garage sales. We're very late in leaving because we slept in a little bit and then we had to feed the lizards and play with the dogs a little bit. But then now we are looking for garage sales. We're gonna do a QT run because that is, Katie, you tired? That's something we have to do. It's a gotta do. And we already haven't done it 2 days. We didn't do it wait, 1 day. Yeah, you've only been here 1 day. We didn't do it 1 day. So, anything you'd like to report, Katie?
Got my octopus shorts on.
She does. There they are.
That's all I got.
There, am I showing them? I think I am. And her Magic School Bus t-shirt that I got her. Oh, why can't I? There. Can you put that arm down that you're driving with right there? See? It's the Magic School Bus. Woo! Anyway, we are going to... I think that's all we have planned right now. She's working on some projects in the backyard that may or may not have gone well yet.
They didn't.
They didn't. But maybe we could save one. We don't know. We don't really know. Anyway, we'll talk soon. Katie, would you like to tell us what you're doing now?
You want a longer one?
I'm taking a fan down.
Take the globe off. There's 3 screws. All you have to do is loosen them up and take them all the way off.
She's taking the globe off. That's all I know. Good job. Now you take the light bulb out. I was gonna say that part. That's all I know. Okay, now you're on your own. Now you're on your own, pumpkin.
Don't put your finger up there.
Oh God, do we need the electricity off? We don't need to
Power's
lose
off,
any
too.
more.
Switch it
Whoa,
down.
okay.
Just don't be flipping any switches.
I'm not.
It should come all the way out. There's no nuts on the other side. Just
Why is that hot?
because the fan was on.
Hello, we're back. Same day, probably. Yeah, it's the same day. It's Saturday.
Yeah.
No? Yeah, Saturday. And Katie, tell them what we're doing.
We're getting more fans.
Because why?
Because we only got one.
And?
We need 2 more.
At least 2 more. No, but you're supposed to say the part where you put it in and it works. Say that part.
We just told them.
No, but you do it again.
I put it in and it works.
She put it in and it works. So that's right. Woohoo. So she put the fan in her room, a ceiling fan. My baby installed a ceiling fan. She's so clever. And Daddy helped by directing the show. Dad was the director. On account of she likes to do these things and he knows that, so she learns to do them through him. But also, my husband is now the 9-fingered man. He still has all 10, but one is very hurt, and it's the middle guy on his left hand. He cut it on the saw. It's okay. He didn't need stitches or anything, but I told him to be very careful, didn't I? I did.
You did.
I told it to you.
We didn't listen, but then we listened after it happened, and it was fine. No blood got anywhere except the sink and the grass.
And the concrete.
No, there's nothing.
That was the concrete. He showed it to her.
No, it was not. That was like pollen or something from the tree. I kicked it off the ground. Blood would have smeared.
Blood did smear.
No, it didn't.
When he touched it with
No,
his
it did
toe.
not. I promise you it didn't. We will go look at it when we get home. I promise you.
Now we're gonna have to go look. Okay, so anyway, blood apparently did not get on the
No, it
concrete.
didn't. No, it didn't.
Anyway, it's all good. It's all good. So we're going to get 2 more ceiling fans, maybe 3 if I see a 3rd one for the den. That's all.
Fancy.
Fancy. I see what you did there.
Oh.
Fan.
I didn't
See?
mean to do that.
Should have made you do that. Okay, so that's what we're doing. So they got a new toy. Its name is a planer. I know this because I read it on the sign and also Katie told me. Okay. Why are you going out to the sun? Because of the dust? So there it is, their new toy.
lights work.
The fan does not. Okay. Nice. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Pretty dang smooth. So
Yeah, it is.
not feel that.
That is some.
Oh, that's nice. I like it. Yeah, no kidding. Our bedroom's great. Oh, you mean the ones that Katie just put up, the brand new ones? Is that better than the one you have, Katie? Than the new one you have?
Well, it's closer to the ground too. So.
Oh, that is true. How many little thingies does it say this one puts out?
2221.
Which is less than yours by 1,000. So yours should be way better than this, but it's not. Don't understand. Like you said, it is closer to the ground, but still. Done. Would you like to say anything as a parting word? Would you like to say anything at all? Because I'm still filming you. All right. Peace out.